Hi, it's Thomas from the Rio Grande tech team, and today I'm going to show you real quickly how to use the Neutec LIGHTScribe laser engraver. Let's get started. First, we'll place our ring in the rotary fixture. Then we'll focus our laser in the center of our workpiece. Now that our laser is focused, we'll turn on the laser. We'll open the LIGHTScribe software. Today we're going to engrave on the inside of the ring. So we'll select letter engraving. We'll type in our message. We'll select our font. We'll click apply. We'll hit F5 to center our work. We'll select the appropriate zoom. Now that our image is centered and in focus, we'll select our dimension, our size. We'll set it to 15 millimeters in width. We'll click go. Now we'll select our hatching. We'll click apply. Now we'll open our ring splitting tool. We'll select the diameter of the ring, the width of the ring, and from our drop-down menu we'll select character based. We'll turn on the ring splitting function. Each red line you see will indicate a rotation of the rotary fixture. And now we're ready to preview our work. We'll press F2. And then F1. When we're ready to engrave, we'll come to LIGHTScribe and we'll press engrave. When the ring is done, the door will lift up, rotate the fixture, and your ring comes out. And there's your finished engraved ring. And now I'll show you how to do some flat engraving with the LIGHTScribe. So let's set up the engraving job. Here's our sacrificial plate to protect the engraving surface. And here's our workpiece. We're going to center that in our center dot there. And now we're ready to set up the engraving job. Right now we're going to set up for text engraving. Text icon. I'm going to type in our text. Select our font. Apply our font. Change it to vertical because we're doing a vertical tag. Select our dimension based upon our engraving area. Let's center our work. We're going to center the I in Rio. We're going to use our hotkeys Control and arrow to adjust our kerning to bring our letters together. I think that looks good. We'll set our hatching. These are the engraved lines. And now we're ready to engrave. And here's our finished Rio tag. Thank you for watching. If you have further questions, feel free to contact us.